Hi friends, welcome to our next video. In this video, we will understand how to find out area of an isosceles triangle. First, let us understand what is an isosceles triangle. In a triangle, if two sides are equal and another side is unequal, then this triangle will be called an isosceles triangle. Suppose the length of this side is 5 cm, this is also 5 cm and this is 4 cm. So you look, this side and this side are equal but this side is unequal. So this triangle will be called an isosceles triangle. Understood? Here we will discuss two cases, case 1 and case 2. In first case, we have to find out area when height of the triangle and base of the triangles are given. In case 2, we will find out area when three sides are given. Three sides are given. In first case, we can easily find out the area by the formula area equal to half into base into height. Because height and base are given, we will put the values and we can easily find out. But in second case, it is quite different. So let us understand how we can find out if three sides are given. It is an isosceles triangle. Suppose this side is A, this side is A and this side is B. That means the value of these three sides are given and the question is to find out area. To find the area of a triangle, all we need is base and height. This is the height. But the problem is height is not given. We will find out height by Pythagoras theorem. This is the perpendicular, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse because it is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. H is A, P is unknown, so let it be P, and B is this one, that means B by 2. This portion is B by 2. So B by 2 whole square. From here, A square minus B square by 4 equal to P square implies P equal to under root A square minus B square by 4. What is P? P is the height or perpendicular. So when the three sides are given, we can find the height by this formula. So by Pythagoras theorem we get P equal to under root A square minus B square by 4. Suppose the value of A is 3 cm and the value of B is 4 cm. So what will be the height? Height equal to under root 3 square minus B square, that means 4 square by 4. So this is equal to 9 minus 16 by 4. This is equal to 9 minus 4 equal to root 5 centimeter. Therefore, the area of this isosceles triangle equal to half into base into height equal to half into base is 4 and height is root 5, okay, equal to 2 root 5 square centimeter. This is the area of this triangle. During examination, the most important aspect is time. So, to save your time, you can use this formula. Area equal to half into base into under root. A means side, so this is equal side square, minus B means base, so base square by 4. So this is the formula to find out area of any isosceles triangle. So friends, I hope this video is definitely helpful to you. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.